Hi guys, it's Christina, and in this video I'm going to share 3 savory yogurt recipes. And I want you to trust me because I do get it that it might seem a bit weird to have yogurt as a savory option when I'm sure that you're used to having it as a dessert, right? But trust me, you have to give the savory options a go because these savory yogurt recipes for breakfast may turn out to be the thing you needed for your morning meals. So if you're looking for yogurt recipes, definitely give these ones a go. Just a note before we go, I do upload delicious recipes and nutritional tips every week. If this type of content interests you, then do hit the like button, subscribe if you're new around here, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. And let's get started. So the 3 different options that I have for you today are Mediterranean savory yogurt recipe, carrot cake yogurt recipe, and immune boosting green savory yogurt recipe. For the Mediterranean savory yogurt recipe, add 100 to 150 grams of yogurt in a container. I will top this up with cherry tomatoes, grated cucumber, olives, and olives can be Kalamata olives or green olives, and they can be stuffed or just simple olives, whatever you have available, hazelnuts, olive oil, lemon juice, and dill. What a beauty! For the carrot cake savory yogurt recipe, add 100 grams of yogurt in a container or 150 grams of yogurt in a container. It's up to you. I will top this up with grated carrots, walnuts, dark chocolate, and olive oil. Don't be put off by the combo of dark chocolate and olive oil. It goes really well. And please note that all the nuts used in these recipes have been pre-soaked and dried naturally under the sun. You can also dry them in the oven for 12 to 24 hours at the lowest setting possible to retain their nutrients. And look at this incredible breakfast meal. For immune boosting savory yogurt recipe, add 100 to 150 grams of yogurt in a container. I will top this up with grated cucumber, some dill, grated raw broccoli, avocado, flax seeds, ginger, and lemon juice. Here is our immune boosting savory yogurt breakfast. definitely give the savory yogurt a go and don't be put off by the fact that they are savory. I know that most of you are used to the dessert options, but trust me, they might turn out to be more like an option for you moving forward. By the way, in the description of this video, you can grab my free snack guide and my free ebook on what makes us healthy and happy, which is based on scientific research. And if you'd like to receive a weekly dose of delicious content, then feel free to subscribe to my newsletter as well. And as always, I would like to hear your thought on these recipes. It means the world to me. And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload new videos. See you in the next episode.